Guys, this is our $18,000 Copart Maserati. You cannot get a better deal than this. Stay tuned and we're gonna tell you a little bit about it.
Hell yeah!
Woo!
Testing.
Mike, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yep, it's on.
All right, guys, this thing right here, we bought it. No,
tell us
guys,
more.
No, I'm not even kidding you guys. I was looking.
Of course, you're not kidding us.
Yeah, but I've got the Fisker Karma, and that thing's a piece of shit. So I was like, I need another something that's not as much of a piece of shit, but I don't want to pay that much for something right now. So let's see what Copart has to offer. So I checked Copart. First time I've ever been on Copart. This thing had 12 hours left. I saw it. I want it. I called the broker. I bought it. 18 G's. Can't get better than that. I didn't do any extensive research on this car. I didn't even check the VIN. I was just like, man, this looks too good to be true. I want this damn thing. It doesn't look like it needs any work. So I'm gonna buy it. I didn't want to just buy this thing and it ended up being a lemon. So I was like, we're gonna buy it, put a couple thousand miles on it, and then really reassess what we have. So now that we've got a couple thousand miles on it, no issues, still runs, drives amazing. I love the car. We can safely say that we paid $18,000 for a Maserati that needs absolutely no work. It's not super fast, but it's a great daily driver. I mean, it's cheaper than your dad's Camry or your mommy's. I'm not much of a spec guy, but I'm just gonna lay it out. This is the 4.7 liter S version, which is 2011. It's the MC Stradale for the 11. They didn't come out then. So this is the highest package you can get. It's got all the carbon fiber goodies. It's got the Vtuned wheels. Not super fan of, but I mean, most Maserati fans love these things. We take a look inside the car.
Let's show them the heart.
The heart, the engine bay.
Let's show them what makes this baby tick.
Yeah, we'll show them. We'll show you what a fucking super slow supercar gets you. 3, 2, 1. Ah!
There it is in all of its glory. All the plastics.
It's a very attractive engine, though.
Yeah, when you look at it right here, yeah, for sure. I like the red, painted out red. Right here. That's just showing you.
Yeah. And I'm gonna turn it on. So go to the back, Peyton. Go to the back. Go to the back now.
To the back. Let's hear it.
Here we go.
Give us
3, 2, 1. Just kidding. Ah!
Come on.
Now this is...
Rev it up! Yeah! Nothing better than... That went right into my mouth.
We're not car experts, so we're not going to give you the Doug DeMuro special. We're gonna take you for a drive in it.
This is the fuel. This is fueled by foreigns.
3, 2, 1, put up.
Dang. You hear that? There he goes. I'm pretty sure he just left me. Here he comes!
Fucking come! The lift is here!
Gee! Thanks, sir!
Say what's up, YouTube? Sup, YouTube? Sup, YouTube? YouTube? I wonder if that's the Maserati saying sup.
Send it!
It says slow down! Our speed was so fast, to register. Moving like a bat out of hell.
A bat out of hell.
So we can give them this damn sound. It's what they asked for. It's what they asked for. It's what they asked for.
Is it what they asked for?
It's what they asked for.
There he goes. Vince, put it in manual so you can hear that exhaust. Golly gee.
That guy's so mad at me. We're back. You thought you could get rid of us.
Not so soon. We're just getting started.
Now guys, for $18,000 you really cannot complain about this.
Heck no.
I mean, I don't know why it was so cheap.
It was a risk though.
Yeah,
it came with its risk.
High risk, high reward type of thing.
Don't go on Copart thinking you're just gonna like find a Maserati or a Corvette like this and think you're just gonna get it and running in perfect condition. Like, this is a rare thing.
Yeah, it's all good right now. So we're just enjoying it. It's a nice new car to have to the fleet, and something that hopefully you guys will learn or will enjoy on the channel.
I think they'll enjoy it.
I think they'll enjoy this.
They'll enjoy it.
Look, it's a CIC Corvette. That guy was kind of young.
He's kind of young. As we say that, and we're in a Maserati.
Damn, dude, this thing fucking smelling like shit, man.
It sounds good. It sounds. Oh shit! Okay. Bring it. Come on. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. If you think that sounds good, then you should stay tuned to this channel, because we got something really special coming. And Vince, do the pleasure of telling them.
We bought a goddamn X-Pipe.
We bought a goddamn X-Pipe. It sounds really good and it's decently loud, but this thing is gonna turn into like a mass murderer for your eardrums. We're going.
All right, guys, this is what it looks like when your hands on the wheel and you're driving that 4.7 liter V8. And you pick it up all the bitches.
You got the carbon fiber paddle shifters here on both sides. Looks pretty good.
And we got the
I actually really like these. These are dope.
Yeah, and then we got the odometer cover right here. Yeah. And then you've got trim here.
Trim. Shift knob.
Right here.
And this whole deal that goes across. Don't worry about the dust. It's been sitting for a while. And then in the back, on this side of the door, and obviously up there. Really nice Alcantara or suede, whatever you want to call it. I know people call it different things, so.
Yep. And
but
then,
yeah.
Lastly, these are also carbon fiber, I believe.
It's carbon fiber-esque, but yeah. Simply, this is probably one of the better buys out there just in general when you're looking for a car. Like he said, like a Toyota, you can get that. You can get a Toyota for the price of this. And in my opinion, what would you rather have? The Toyota or a Maserati?
Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't think there's a cheaper car out there from Copart. I think we got the best Copart buy ever.
I think so.
We're not experts. Yeah. We're literally idiots that decided to buy a Maserati on Copart. I'm the real idiot because I'm going to bid on it. But yeah, we're not advising anybody to buy this because it can be suicidal.
Yeah. All right, guys. So if you enjoyed this video of us telling you and showing you about our Copart Maserati, again, we're not advising you buy from Copart and you're just going to end up getting a really good Maserati out of that, because it's, like Vince said, it's kind of like a really big gamble. But yeah, stay tuned if you guys want to see all this crazy stuff we're doing to it. Again, we're putting an X-Pipe on this thing, so be waiting for that video. Be waiting for that.
It's getting a badass satin black wrap.
Yeah, a badass satin black wrap. And push that bell notification so you know when that video shows up. So you don't want to miss it. We're going to show you that. And yeah, again, if you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and let's go to the moon.